U.S. Bank Secured Visa Credit Card features, strengths, weaknesses. This card is a stepping stone for individuals with limited or damaged credit seeking to build or rebuild their credit history. The core feature is its secured nature, requiring a cash deposit, typically ranging from $300 to $5,000, which acts as your credit limit. This deposit mitigates risk for U.S. Bank, making it easier to get approved, even with a low credit score or no credit history at all. Key features include reporting to all three major credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, which is crucial for credit building. You can use the card anywhere Visa is accepted, offering widespread utility. The card also offers access to U.S. Bank's online and mobile banking platform for managing your account, tracking spending, and making payments. Now, let's talk strengths. The primary advantage is its accessibility for those with poor or no credit. Responsible use, meaning making timely payments and keeping your utilization low, directly translates to positive credit reporting and improved credit scores. It's a relatively straightforward product, avoiding complex reward structures that might tempt overspending. Weaknesses include the lack of rewards. Unlike many unsecured cards, this card doesn't offer cash back, points, or miles, making it purely a credit-building tool. The APR is generally higher than on unsecured cards, reflecting the higher risk associated with this type of product. While the deposit is refundable upon account closure in good standing, it ties up your cash that could be used elsewhere. Also, it's important to note that U.S. Bank does periodically review secured card accounts for potential graduation to an unsecured card, but this is not guaranteed, and criteria for graduation are not always explicitly stated. This card is best suited for individuals committed to responsible credit management and who understand the importance of building a solid credit foundation. If you need a secured card and U.S. Bank is an institution you prefer, it's a reasonable choice. However, compare it to other secured cards, especially regarding fees and the potential for eventual graduation to an unsecured product. Consider your longer-term credit goals. If you anticipate needing access to unsecured credit soon, researching cards known for clear graduation paths may be worthwhile, even if it requires waiting slightly longer to apply. Weigh the cost of tying up your deposit against the potential benefits of improving your credit score. Ultimately, the U.S. Bank Secured Visa is a functional tool, but it's essential to understand its limitations and ensure it aligns with your specific credit building strategy.